Hello and welcome to this video on the National Highways Authority of India, NHAI, FASTag toll charges from Bangalore to Kochi. This video showcases a 562 km journey captured with a dashcam, with the aim of providing information on the cost of travel on this route. The journey from Bangalore to Kochi was completed in 17 toll plazas, and the total toll paid was 960 Indian rupees. Let's have a look at each of the toll plazas and the toll charges. Electronic City Toll Plaza in Bengaluru, where the toll paid was 60 Indian rupees. Attibele Toll Plaza in Karnataka, where the toll paid was 35 Indian rupees. Krishnagiri Toll Plaza in Tamil Nadu, where the toll paid was 120 Indian rupees. Thopur Toll Plaza in Dharmapuri district, Tamil Nadu, where the toll paid was 80 Indian rupees. Omalur Toll Plaza in Tamil Nadu, where the toll paid was 95 Indian rupees. Vaikundam Toll Plaza in Tamil Nadu, where the toll paid was 75 Indian rupees. Vijayamangalam Toll Plaza in Tamil Nadu, where the toll paid was 70 Indian rupees. IVRCL Chengapally Toll Plaza in Tamil Nadu, where the toll paid was 110 Indian rupees. L&T Coimbatore bypass first toll plaza toward Palakkad, where the toll paid was nil. L&T Coimbatore bypass second toll plaza toward Palakkad, where the toll paid was 17 Indian rupees. L&T Coimbatore bypass third toll plaza toward Palakkad, where the toll paid was nil. L&T Coimbatore bypass fourth toll plaza toward Palakkad, where the toll paid was 28 Indian rupees. L&T Coimbatore bypass fifth toll plaza toward Palakkad, where the toll paid was nil. L&T Coimbatore bypass sixth toll plaza toward Palakkad, where the toll paid was nil. Pampampallam Toll Plaza in Palakkad, Kerala, where the toll paid was 75 Indian rupees. Panniyankara Toll Plaza in Thrissur, Kerala, where the toll paid was 105 Indian rupees. Paliyekkara Toll Plaza in Thrissur, Kerala, where the toll paid was 90 Indian rupees. This was the last toll plaza of the trip. Thank you for watching this video about the FASTag toll charges from Bangalore to Kochi. We hope this information was helpful to you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Kerala Pix, for more interesting content. Thank you again for your support.